Hello everyone, this is Mr. Jackson, and we're looking at item number 3 for our math homework for Wednesday, October 31st, 2012. Grandma Sue has 38 crayons. Muffin Cap has 76 crayons. About how many more crayons does Muffin Cap have than Grandma Sue? Show your work. Now, first thing a lot of us would do is subtract 38 from 76. Why? Because the question asks about how many more crayons does Muffin Cap have than Grandma Sue. They're comparing the amounts of Muffin Cap and Grandma Sue. And in order to find a difference, the only operation you can do for that is subtraction. So, the larger number, of course, is your minuend. The smaller number is your subtrahend. And we line them up vertically in case we have to regroup. Since we're subtracting, if we regrouped, it would be borrowing. For example, we'll start with the smallest place value and find out that we can't take 8 ones from 6 ones. So in order to be able to do that, we would need to borrow from our tens place. We have 7 tens. If we borrow one of them, we will have 6 tens left. And the one we borrowed, we turn into 10 ones because one of these is 10 of those. We add those 10 ones to the 6 ones we already had, which would give us a total of 16 ones. And now we'd say 16 ones minus 8 ones is 8 ones, and 6 tens minus 3 tens is 3 tens. So at first we would think that 76 crayons minus 38 crayons gives you a difference of 38 crayons. But that's not entirely what we need to do to solve this problem. It says, or it asks, about how many more crayons does Muffin Cap have than Grandma Sue? In this instance, we will need to estimate before we solve the problem. So what am I saying? We have 76 crayons and 38 crayons. We're going to have to round to the nearest 10 here. And that's when we draw our number line and put our 3 marks. We're going to have to estimate both of these numbers. So we're going to have 2 number lines. Now, 76 is between 70 and 80. And halfway would be 75. And since 76 is greater than 75, we would round up to 80. On the other hand, 38 is between 30 and 40 if you're skip counting by tens to round to the nearest 10. Halfway would be 35. 38 is greater than 35, so we would round up to 40. So instead of our minuend being 76, our minuend for this instance is actually 80, because they asked about how many more crayons does Muffin Cap have than Grandma Sue. So we need to be estimating. And instead of our subtrahend being 38, it's going to be 40. And now we subtract. Start with the smallest place value. 0 minus 0 is 0, so you have 0 ones. And in the tens place, 8 minus 4 is 4, so you have 4 tens. So actually, when they ask about how many more crayons does Muffin Cap have than Grandma Sue, your answer should be about 40 more crayons. Okay, if you have any questions or concerns, please email me at ClassJump. Thank you.